Hi everyone, it's Erica Olson from On Strategy. Today's whiteboard video is on how to refresh your OKRs. As you know, OKRs are built and managed in quarterly cycles. So at the end of each quarter, you need to look back on your performance and report on your performance and look forward on what your focus is for the next quarter. And that process can be a little bit daunting, so this video is going to make it as easy as possible. So let's assume for a second you're at the end of quarter one, so you're at the end of March. The first quarter is January, February, March. So let's say we're the last week of March and you're moving into quarter two. So you're reporting on what you got done in quarter one and what you're going to focus on for quarter two. We like to think about using the 3 C's when we're refreshing our OKRs. We're closing out some of them because we finished them and they're done. We're carrying forward some of them because they need to continue on for a variety of reasons. We'll talk about that. And we might be creating some new ones because something new has come on our plate or something's emerging. So here's my example and let's apply this. So the example is, let's assume our objective is improving project management efficiency. That's our objective. That's what we're trying to accomplish for the year, January through December. I've got 4 key results. 2 of them are quantitative in nature, 80% on time projects completed, 80% on budget projects completed, launching a new project management tool, and that all project managers have completed the new training. So kind of refreshing back, looking back, closing out. Let's assume for a second that we have indeed launched our new PM tool. So this is done. We would report on it being 100% complete. It's done. Carrying forward would be our next thing. Which of these are carrying forward? Well, these 2 metrics of 80% on time project completion and on budget, they're going to carry forward. We're going to carry those into the next quarter, which would be to the end of June. They're great performance measures and we want to keep measuring them and we want to keep them as key results. And let's assume for a second that this didn't happen. We just didn't get to it. We didn't get to training our team. So we're going to continue this into next quarter as well. And then last but not least is creating new. So let's assume that we decided that we also want to train all account managers. So that would be a new key results is to train all account managers, and we would say, okay, so that's going to happen from April through June, and that would be our new. So when you think about carrying things forward, and let's admit a lot of things get carried forward because they should, right? We talked about the performance measures, they should carry forward. And honestly, some things just don't get done because we can't get to everything, and we shouldn't, quite frankly. So when we're carrying things forward, here's how you carry things forward. You think about the target. So in this case, are we carrying forward the 80%? Yes, we're not changing the target. Got it. We changed the end date. So we extended the end date in these, right, that we're carrying forward. And we might consider changing the verb. In this case, all was fine. So we do actually want to train all project managers. So we're not going to change the verb here, but you might consider changing the verb to be clearer about what you're getting done for the quarter. So with that, when you look back and you say, what is the focus for Q2? We've got 2 key results that are related to performance, quantitative performance, and we have 2 training KRs. So with that, your trick is the 3 C's. Close out, carry forward, create new. That's how you make refreshing your OKRs as easy as possible. Thank you for tuning in. Hit the like button if you like our content. Please subscribe to our channel. We drop new videos every Friday. Happy strategizing.